In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the Kanban board feature in Jira. Whether you're a seasoned Jira user or just starting out, this guide should help you maximize your productivity using Kanban boards. Let's dive right in. Begin by opening your Jira project and clicking on the Board View tab situated at the top of the page. This action will take you directly to the Kanban board view, where you'll be managing your tasks. If, for some reason, the Board View tab isn't visible on your screen, don't worry. Simply head over to the end of the View tabs where you'll find a plus icon. Click on this plus icon and you'll be able to add the board view to your navigation, making it easily accessible for future use. Once you're in the board view mode, you can start interacting with it just like any other Kanban board. A simple yet effective tool, Kanban boards are perfect for visualizing the flow of work in your projects. Get started by hovering over any section of your board. You'll see an option to create. Clicking on this button allows you to create a new card specific to the section you're working on. Next, it's time to enter the title of your card. Be as clear and concise as possible to ensure that anyone looking at the board understands what the card is about at a glance. After you've titled your card, you'll likely want to add more detail. To do this, click on the card to open it. This will allow you to edit the card's details further. In this view, you're able to input all the necessary information such as statuses and any other relevant fields that will make your card informative and easy to understand for your team. Back on the board view, managing your cards is straightforward. You can use your mouse to click and drag cards, moving them around manually from one section to another as the work progresses. This hands-on approach is intuitive, but if you're looking to streamline your workflow further, Jira offers the option to create automations. These automations can move your cards automatically based on certain triggers or conditions, keeping your board organized with minimal effort. And there you have it, an easy-to-follow guide on how to use the Kanban board feature in Jira to your advantage. With these tools at your disposal, you can manage your workflow efficiently, allowing you and your team to stay on top of your tasks with ease. Give it a try, and watch how it improves the way you keep track of your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing!